Here I have Renault Captur and let me show you how to manage the apps settings on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Renault. Let's choose here the apps icon, and from apps icon you need to scroll down to see the settings. Select settings, and from list of settings all you need to do is find here and select the apps. Let me just tap apps. As you can see here, you can read a few stuff such as recently opened, so you can check out which app you just recently used. You can select view all apps, and here you can read the information about apps, for example, how much storage uh, it uh, it use from your car. If you tap some app, you can force it to stop, you can select the permission, you can choose storage and cache to see exactly what is stored here. You can clear the storage here also. Let's go back. You can remove permissions, and you may also go back to the apps section. Here you can check out the permission manager. So here you've got the permission of all apps. As you can see, for example, if you tap the contacts app, you've got information about what you just allowed and what is not allowed. Here you can also select the unused apps. So if you have some apps that are unused for a month, you should see them here. And you may also, what's really important, choose the default apps. Let me just tap it. So you can choose the default app for browser, from digital assistant app, home app, phone app, SMS app. Basically, if you have few apps for such task, you can just tap it and select one of them. In my case, I've only have one, so cannot change it. Let's go back. From apps, you can also select the special app access. And as you can see here, you can modify system settings. And as you can see, those apps has this access. You can check out notification settings. You may also select the premium SMS access, usage access, and Wi-Fi control. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.